What's up, guys? I just posted a video for the first time. I've been wanting to do this kind of videos since I started selling on eBay more than a year ago, but it's been like I would pick up, slow down, so I never decided to kind of film about it. I see a lot of other YouTubers who does what sold, and it's very fun and successful, and I cannot believe how good that video done. I'll put links in the description for my last video. Also, I put eBay to my in the description as well. A lot of people asking, so it's always in the description, all the links. But yeah, I have sold like another, I don't know, maybe 15 20 items, different listings, but there's a lot of multi buys, and when that happens, it actually helps me a lot. Whenever you guys go on my eBay account and buy multiple items, I get to save on shipping, and shipping minimum $5 on 8 ounces and under. So if it's like a pound item, that's like $7-8. So I'm not eBay reseller. I like kind of like remind you what I said in the last video. I'm just selling some stuff to get some money back to invest into YouTube, pay some bills, and to, I don't know, invest into retirement account or college funds for the kids. But I don't profit here. My profit comes from the videos. So this is not about buying and reselling things for profit. Although sometimes it does happen. I find some good deals on eBay, maybe thrift stores when I go for fun, or yard sales. I do like hunting for books for Catherine's collection, like really old books. So we have sold a lot of things since last video. Most of them are viewer sales, so thank you so much for supporting my channel. I actually need it. So let's see what we got. 10 orders, but there's so many multi-buys, like 5 more than 5 orders in one order, so it's like 20-30 items to pull. We'll see. So I got it here, a lot of Goosebumps. I actually got it at the yard sale, no, thrift stores that was shutting down for repair. I only pay like, I don't know, $10, $20 for all of those. So gotta find those. It doesn't have a SKU number. I sold it for $50, but I did add on extra to it, so it's probably packaged up already, unless I put sometimes books over here. That one is sold too. We'll pull it in a minute. I don't see any. So what we do is lot of 22. So all my big items in my last video, I showed you how I separate everything. All my pre-packaged, lot 22, Goosebumps, super easy to find. We'll see how fast this will sell out, this section. So layer box of 22 items, $50. Shipping, medium mail probably will be like $12 out here, maybe more, I don't know. Also, I'll try to restock that section as well. So keep on going. Also, I had a lot of comments in last video saying like a lot of negative things about eBay. Although there's a lot of frustrations with eBay, just like any other job. YouTube has plenty of frustration, Facebook, Instagram, all of the things that I post, there's plenty issues with those platforms. Same thing is like any other job, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, eBay, Poshmark, anything. So the top comment was, and eBay is going to take half. Well, obviously they're going to take fees because they drive all the all of the platform providing us with all the service, and it's not going to be half, but they will take about 15% of average. Then FedEx, UPS, USPS will take another cut on it. So on average we're going to lose from selling on eBay 20 to 25%, depends how expensive the item and how expensive to ship. My favorite items to ship is USPS on Advantage, whatever you call it. There's Advantage section, and we do get a nice discount shipping it with the eBay program. So there is eBay helping us out. So whenever people say it's a 20-30% fees, it is not true. It's a little bit of false. Yes, the fees are high. We're always going to complain and push them to lower the fees so we make a little bit extra money. But I don't see any better alternatives. Amazon, way higher fees than eBay, but there's plenty of ways to make money. I just don't even know how to. Too complicated for me. I'm too busy for that. So there's no better alternative in my opinion. Ignore those comments about eBay taking half or 30%, 20%. The best way to do it is try it out and learn for yourself. I don't like shipping big items. Those things I will probably sell on Facebook Marketplace. Anything small, I really love eBay, and it is the best place to get the best value back. Pawn shop will take like 70% from you, 80%, 90%, and yard sales you're going to get pocket change for all this stuff. So at the end of the day, as much as eBay have issues, to me, to my knowledge, it is the best place to sell out some of this stuff that I don't need. Next one is a Gerber knife mesh wield. I actually got this one from pretty good deal from one of those knife subscription boxes, bottle box and things like that. $25 for this one. I paid probably $25 because subscription boxes are a really good deal. So that way I can sell them on a good deal because I'm profiting on a video. I pretty much have no profit in here, just getting my money back. But the books was a little bit of profit, maybe $15, $20 after all the shipping and fees. Then I have right here graded cards lot. This is a really good deal. I'm just trying to get rid of them. $28 for Pokemon card lot. So got some energy, some really unique stuff, a little bit older stuff. I know, got it in the mystery boxes. Definitely losing money on that. Also same person bought this side dark Japanese, kind of cool, older card. Let's see, I think it's only like $12 because it is a Japanese older. Let me double check real quick. This was $12 and the buyer left a note. Joshua, love your channel, my friend. This is my way of showing support while growing my son's collection. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna be listing more Pokemon stuff, so check out later, come back later. And yeah, glad you bought it. Hopefully your son will enjoy it. Let's see what else we got. Somebody bought all of this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So it would be in a Pokemon section, and I get to save a lot of money on shipping, and I can upgrade the shipping. $22. Let's pull them real quick. First one is a Charizard, and the way I do it is, I think this is a Crown Zenith Charizard, so that would be under C. Boom, I have a lot of Charizards right there. So next order, Graphite, I don't know how to pronounce that, so it's with a G. Sometimes I mess it up, but there it is. Ooh, that Gengar is cool. I think that's like $15. There it is. Found it. Okay, next. Gold Pikachu. That's cool. Gold cards, I separate them as well. Let's move that to the side. I need a little bit bigger table. So it should be under the P. Okay, there is a P. Yeah, that's it. Gold Pikachu right there. Super cool. And then we have Monkey Dory. Paldean Fades. But it's dark, so it's M. Where is M? There it is. So there's M. It would be easier, all the letters would be spread out if I had more cards for sale. So this is all one lot. Thank you so much for purchasing that. You know what, I just realized all of that is one purchase. So thank you so much. That actually helps so much. I actually saved like $10 on shipping. I get you a signed Pokemon card for you. Next, I got it here, book set. I paid like $5 at yard sale. I couldn't pass up. I sold it for $20. So there's not much return, but I didn't know if we want to keep it or not. We decided we don't want it, so I listed it pretty cheap on eBay to just kind of get rid of it. But there it is. Somebody will enjoy it. Next side here, I had it for sale for more than 6 months. Key Unity Q04 Titanium Pry Bar Carabiner. That thing is so cool. So it would be in this box without custom SKU label. before I used to have like 4 or 5 boxes, and I was like spending so much time looking for stuff. So I did 1, 2, 3, and then I just combined 1 and 2 when something sells out, 1, 2, 3, and I'll just start over. But yeah, this side here, like kind of leftover of everything, have not sold, but it is super easy to find. Key Unity right here. Anyways, next sale, another Pokemon. Pokemon sells like hotcakes. I don't know what that's saying, I heard it somewhere. But yeah, this is Chariz 10. It should be over there in the back. $29. That's kind of cool. The company sent it to me, few of those things for free. This mystery boxes for free. They're okay, they're cool. I'm just happy they sent it to me for free. So I keep them in these boxes, and that's what I have. If you guys interested, you can go onto my eBay and check out the prices. I do not know top of my head all these prices. I put them in the plastic baggies. Where are you, Chariz? It's probably right here. This one, somebody bought it and canceled it. Some different, I don't know that, what do you call it, grader. But CGC is nice. PSA is the best. Those things fly out so much, but CGC is really nice. Look at that. Japanese Radiant Chariz, graded 10. Love it. Next, I sold this lot of folding knives, different type of knives. I filmed all over the years. It is a good deal for $100. Considerably, there's some vintage ones like that one by itself, like $30. There's looks like a Victorinox, so it is an amazing deal. I was surprised it didn't sold either way. Look at that. There's a card axe that's like by itself $15. This one is a Gerber, a little bit used, but yeah, this one is also like $30 knife. So knife lot would be in here. Somebody saw it in my video, so they scooped it up for $100. Junk drawer knife lot 11. So what I'm looking for is super easy. There's other EDC junk drawer slots. Somebody said, I will buy all your bulk and resell it. I'm not trying to sell the bulk, everything I have. Some of the things I want to get some value back really good. Times you probably already saw it. It is a lot faster if I do this without filming. Okay, let me pause it. That's what I'm talking about. Takes a lot longer. I just looked at it twice. Junk drawer knife lot 11. I got double check. That's the same number. But yeah, it is $100. It's going to be about $15 shipping because it is heavy. So I don't get $100 plus 15% minus eBay. But still, it's a good way to sell that stuff in my opinion. On eBay is still the best way. Okay, next one, a Leatherman sold for $105. You guys got a really good deal. And this one right here, because I got a good deal on this one too, so I can sell it easier. Also, I have a couple Leathermans right here. Which one is this? Wave. So if you're interested in Wave, check out my eBay account. There's some axes that I have. Next, CVV. CVV is really nice. Also come from subscription box, so I get a good deals. And sometimes CVV send me free knives too. Sold for $64 plus shipping on this one. So that means it's an old listing. So all my CVV is here. What's the name of it? Had to match up the barcode, but check this out. This CVV sent me this cool knife. I don't know if I want it anymore, but let me open it and show you guys. Maybe some of you will want this knife. This is a Crazy Russian Hacker engraved CVV knife. I think it's super cool. I just don't care about that. So CVV sent it to me. Maybe some of you viewers guys will want that. And just search this knife, it should come up on eBay, unless it's sold. It might sell right away, might not, we'll see. It comes with a little EDC pen, like aluminum. I thought it would sell right away, but I guess nobody noticed it. Okay, and it will do it. We got another nice batch of sales. I don't know yet how much it is total over on a day. I will look it up and let you know while I'm packaging it up. It's gonna keep me busy for like 30 minutes out here. So guys, in the last video I said I had $530 day, and it was like end of the day, and guess what, we ended up selling $680 yesterday, so it done another $100 and $150 almost. And today so far it's 12 o'clock and we had $430 already, and I was packaging everything up. Look at it, 12:25. It's not even a half a day. I mean, it is half a day for me, but not for California, you know what I mean? And we sold another item. We have another junk door sold, and it's a really good wallet, flashlight, tech accessory, all this top-notch brand, everyday care stuff, oils. I got it from mystery boxes, so I got a decent deal. Some things I threw in. That patch is $15 by itself. So there's a charger stuff, a whole bunch of cool stuff. That key smart is expensive, each piece is separate, and there's a brass pen. So this is EDC junk door 15, sold for $48 plus shipping. I don't know if I ever going to do such a good deal again, but there it is. Sometimes you can snatch a really good deal. I'm gonna go ship it out. It's probably going to be $7 in shipping.